Welcome to History of Origins. Here you'll find well-sourced updates about the human body and its history. Stick with us so you never miss an update. Every great story begins with a choice, and this is mine. Hi, I'm Tony. Follow me and you'll discover hidden truths, real facts about humanity's evolution, secrets of the human body, stories of ancient civilizations, knowledge that changes the way you see the world. I started YouTube faceless. At first, it was hard. I almost quit. This isn't for me. Why waste time? But something inside kept me going. I could feel the pressure, the doubts, the noise behind my thoughts. That struggle gave me strength. So I created my first channel, documentaries on culture, ancient people, and history. Because knowledge transforms. It makes you stronger. It makes you different. And I knew if I gave up, I'd lose that transformation. Then I found the secret: faceless videos. I learned from the best, American mentors, proven methods. I realized one thing. On YouTube, what matters is quality, curiosity, and value. And that's when it clicked. Not being a genius didn't matter. All I needed were three things: the right mentor, the right method, the right mindset. With that, I left the old ways behind and stepped into the new digital world. That's how I built my own revolutionary system. A system to grow, a system to create wealth, a system to keep moving forward. Now it's your turn. Stay until the end of this journey. I'll give you every step, free, so you can build your own faceless YouTube business. Oh, hit like. Oh, subscribe. Oh, drop a comment. Tell me what drives you forward. What's the real reason I want to give you free information about faceless YouTube? If you're a beginner and don't know where to start, I can help you create your own YouTube channel. In the next videos, you'll discover the first steps, explained step by step. Starting with the next video, you'll learn how to choose a macro niche and then narrow it down to a sub-niche you actually enjoy and know something about. Weird things human body and psychology does without you realizing. Have you ever noticed that your body is basically running a secret ops mission on you? While you're ordering coffee, your eyes are deleting pieces of reality, your stomach is cleaning like a Roomba, your brain is time traveling, and your skin is quietly building armor. Oh, and your ears are flexing their own tiny biceps. Today we're pulling the curtain on the weirdest things your body does without asking for permission. If you're ready to meet the strange roommate living under your skin, hit like and let's go. We think we're in charge. I decided to stand up. I decided to blink. But most of what keeps us alive runs on autopilot. Evolution designed a backstage crew called homeostasis to keep your temperature steady, blood balanced, and brain online while you worry about. I don't know where your phone charger went. Today we'll tour the hidden features. Quick stories, simple science, and the kind of wait, what? Facts that make you stare at your own hands. Ready? Right now, your eyes are performing a visual magic trick called saccadic masking. When your eyes flick from word to word or object to object, your brain briefly turns off awareness to avoid motion blur, then stitches the world back together like a slick movie editor. High-speed eye movements usually refers to either nystagmus, rapid, rhythmic, involuntary eye oscillations, or saccades, the quick, voluntary jumps your eyes make between fixation points. This image was found on the internet. Plus, you have a literal blind spot where the optic nerve exits the eyeball. Do you see a black hole? Nope. Your brain fills it in with a best guess like, yep, probably more wall. Your perception isn't a live stream, it's a highlight reel. So if you ever lose an argument, tell them, I didn't ignore you. My brain was editing. That tiny forest on your arms? It's called piloerection. In furrier ancestors, hairs lifted to trap heat or to look bigger when threatened. Picture a cat puffing up versus you, listening to your favorite song at 2 a.m. Same reflex, different aesthetic. This isn't a syndrome. It's a symptom that may signal fatigue, sleep problems, e.g. sleep apnea, and psychological imbalance, anxiety, stress. You yawn, I yawn, the entire comment section yawns. Why? Theories range from brain arousal regulation to subtle social syncing. Whatever the mechanism, your body sees one yawn and goes, copy that squad, deploy jaw hinge. Hiccups are a spasm of the diaphragm with a snap-shut vocal cord hic. One popular idea is that it's a leftover pattern from very ancient ancestors that used gulping motions to breathe. Today it mostly activates after eating too fast, fizzy drinks, or laughing while inhaling pizza. Tip: non-medical, just common sense. Slow your breathing, sip water, distract the nervous system. No need to wrestle a spoonful of sugar at 3 a.m. The brain's default network is a cluster of regions that activates at rest, and also when we're asked to recall the past or imagine a future. This image was found on the internet. You're drifting off, and suddenly your leg kicks. That startle is a hypnic jerk, a normal hiccup of the sleep switchboard, as the brain powers down the muscles. Your ancient wiring goes falling from a tree and taps the emergency brake. Thanks, I guess. Ever zone out in the shower and solve life? That's your default mode network, the brain's idle system that replays memories, simulates futures, and knits your story together. It's working when you think you're doing nothing. It's working when you think you're doing nothing, which is why your best ideas arrive when you're not trying. Walking, washing dishes, plotting your villain arc. You blink more than you think, and every blink is a tiny blackout your brain smooths over. Stack all those microcuts, and you spend a surprising slice of the day, technically, not seeing. And yet, thanks to neural autocorrect, the world looks continuous. Your brain is the world's fastest post-production studio. Deep in your ear, tiny muscles, including the stapedius, reflexively tighten when loud sounds hit, dampening the vibrations to protect the inner ear. It's like your ears flinch. Between meals, your gut runs a cleanup wave called the migrating motor complex. Those rumbling sounds, borborygmi if you want to sound fancy, aren't just "I'm starving." They're rhythmic sweeps that clear leftovers. Your intestine is doing housekeeping with better work ethic than I have on laundry day. Try eating a strawberry with your nose pinched. Suddenly, it's sweet red mystery. That's because retronasal olfaction, aromas traveling up the back of your throat, does most of the heavy lifting for flavor. Your tongue senses basics: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, umami, but your nose paints the picture. Ever notice how food is boring when you're congested? That's your flavor Wi-Fi going offline. Skin cells are constantly rising, hardening and flaking off, while new ones form below, like an escalator of armor. You're leaving a shimmering trail of you everywhere. Sparkly, but unsettling. Congratulations, you're a limited edition snow globe. That knuckle pop? Often it's gas shifting within joint fluid, cavitation, rather than bones grinding. It's the joint equivalent of opening a fizzy drink. And no, your grandma's line about cracking knuckles causes instant doom is a bit exaggerated. Rapid separation of joint surfaces drops pressure in the synovial fluid, microbubbles form and collapse, and you hear the familiar crat pop. Your body is always tuning temperature. Sweat evaporates to cool you, shivers generate heat, skin vessels widen or narrow to dump or conserve warmth. Embarrassed blush? That's facial vessels opening, your emotions with a built-in highlighter. Pupils don't just change with light. They can widen with effort, interest, or stress. Your eyes are windows into your brain's workload. So yes, your pupils may subtly fangirl when you see your crush or a perfect plate of fries. Sleep isn't an off switch, it's a chore chart. Your brain cycles through stages, sometimes surfacing briefly, microarousals you won't remember. Meanwhile, the brain's cleansing system, often called glymphatic, helps clear waste products more efficiently during deep sleep. One reason good sleep feels like a scrub down for your soul. The hardware gets maintenance. Believe something will help, and your brain can trigger real body changes, pain pathways, stress signals, even heart rate can shift. Believe it'll hurt, and oof, the opposite. Expectation is chemistry's hype man. Note, this doesn't replace real treatment, but it shows how powerful your brain-body handshake is. Beyond the daily circadian clock, your body runs shorter cycles, often around 90 minutes, of focus and fatigue. That "I need a break" feeling, not laziness. Just factory settings asking for a pit stop. So, what did we learn? Your body is a stealth genius. It edits your reality, goosebumps at music, cleans your gut, guards your ears, flavors your food with smell, and powers your brain's idea factory when you think you're zoning out. You are not a single you. You're a bustling city of systems, each doing weird, wonderful things all day long. Closing thought. The next time you get chills from a song or kick yourself awake, don't roll your eyes. Say thanks. That's ancient engineering still looking out for you. If this tour of your secret superpowers made you go no way, tap like so more curious minds find it. Tell me in the comments, which hidden body trick surprised you most, and which one should we deep dive next? Share this with a friend who thinks hiccups are a personality trait, and subscribe for more brain and body stories every week. Your body's been busy. Now your thumbs can be too. See you next time. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe to History of Origins to stay up to date with the latest news. Turn on the bell so you don't miss a thing. See you next time.